Cryptocurrency. Some call it the future of finance, while others warn it's the riskiest investment of our generation. With major events like the 2024 US presidential election just around the corner, and Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs now approved by the SEC, the question remains, is crypto still a good investment in 2025? Stick with me because what happens next might surprise you. Cryptocurrency isn't just a trend anymore. It's an established asset class that's reshaping financial systems worldwide. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major players have become household names. But in 2025, the landscape is changing, and here's why you need to pay attention. Let's start with the big news: Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. The approval of these ETFs in 2024 was a game changer, offering investors regulated access to crypto. By 2025, these funds are projected to hold up to 7% of Bitcoin and Ethereum's total supply. This institutional interest is bringing legitimacy and billions in capital to the market. But here's something you might not have considered: the impact of the 2024 US presidential election. Why does this matter for crypto? Because the future of regulation is on the ballot. If a pro-crypto candidate wins, we could see policies that encourage crypto adoption, such as tax incentives or clearer regulatory frameworks. But if regulators tighten control, we could see restrictions that curb innovation. The stakes are high, and the election could determine whether crypto thrives or faces new hurdles in 2025. Now, let's talk about the risks. Cryptocurrency might be exciting, but it's still incredibly volatile. Remember, just a few years ago, Bitcoin's price plummeted from around $65,000 to $30,000 between April and May 2021. Can you handle watching your portfolio drop that fast? Adding to this uncertainty is the potential for regulatory changes after the election. If the new administration imposes stricter crypto regulations, we could see increased volatility or even delisting of certain tokens. But here's why people are still bullish on crypto. The blockchain technology underpinning these assets is revolutionizing industries. Whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or cross-border payments, crypto isn't just an investment. It's a movement shaping the future of finance. Investors see long-term potential. Bitcoin is predicted to hit $200,000 by 2025 as institutional money continues to flow in. And it's not just speculation. More companies, banks, and even governments are backing these assets. But let's not sugarcoat it, crypto is still incredibly risky. Regulatory uncertainty looms large. Governments around the world, including the US, are cracking down on crypto projects that operate in legal gray areas. Even as ETFs gain approval, regulators can still classify certain tokens as securities, leading to fines or shutdowns. So, is cryptocurrency a good investment in 2025? The answer isn't black and white. On the one hand, ETFs are adding legitimacy, and the long-term potential is undeniable. On the other hand, the volatility and regulatory risks are still very real, especially after the 2024 election. If you're considering getting in, ask yourself, can you stomach the risks for the chance of massive rewards? Or is the uncertainty too great? One thing's for sure, 2025 will be a pivotal year for crypto, and the US election could be the key to everything. If you want to stay ahead in the world of finance and make informed decisions about crypto and other investments, hit that subscribe button and join the journey to financial freedom. What do you think? Is 2025 the year for crypto? Let me know in the comments.